Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tradespeople's Tips. We have another one of these pull string light switch that's playing up. That's our light. We've taken the cover off. It's all LEDs. Now with LEDs, it's very unlikely they will all blow at the same time. So we've decided to do a test on our switch. Now, if I get a good old-fashioned tester there, press it on there. If I press there, you see the light? No light. Now, when I pull the string on here, what that does is create a circuit, send the power from there to here, and from there back to our light. But if we put our tester on there, we have nothing. So our first point of code is here. So what I've done, just to be on the safe side for my benefit, I've used this screwdriver. Where is it? Where's the camera lens? There it is, somewhere there. I've used a screwdriver and I've scraped on there. You can see it because I can't see the top. And that tells me the one with the red tape, that's where it goes. And the one without the tape, that's where it goes. So I'm going to disconnect this, take the switch down, and then take it from there. But first thing you're going to have to do is turn your power off. Okay? See you in a sec. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's our switch. We've taken it apart, and what first thing we found is this bit here. You can see clearly it's broken. The remainder of it is down inside of there. Okay, so this piece come out from inside there, and it's held on. There is a pretty powerful spring on here. See? So when you pull your switch, this should rotate like that, making contact from here onto these parts. So one will be on, one will be off. Alright, so yeah, need to get a new switch. No, I'm doing a video.
That's what I was about to ask you. Are you still looking how to?
Yeah. Keep me going, innit? Right, so we're gonna get a replacement switch and see what we do from there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have a replacement switch. Alright, now this one, we just pop it open. Eventually. See what you get for your money. There it is. Now, this is a complete thing. No, I'm doing a video. Yeah. So what you'll have to do is just unscrew there, and that bit will come off. This you won't need to replace because there's nothing wrong with it. But we're gonna just pull our switch before we install it, just so that you can hear it. Hear it? We weren't getting that. In fact, let me just demonstrate to you from the old one, because I kind of put it away for the time being. Get the screws out of it. If we pull it, pull our string, and we get this thing around my finger. Nothing. Alright, so at least we're on the right track, even if it's not 100%. So there's our wires and the base. We're gonna leave that up there. Get back to this one. Get our screwdriver. Undo that. Eventually. There we go. That's two. There we go. Exactly the same. One wire goes in there, one wire goes in there. That should be L1. Anyway, yeah, 1 second. Okay, I didn't explain before in the beginning. What you gotta do, you gotta undo these little brass screws, only the ones where the wire goes in, and pull your wire out. See where the screw tightens down? That's what holds it in common. That's where the one without the tape goes. L1 is where the one with the tape goes. So your live in goes to L1 and back out there. Okay, so we're gonna fit this up now and show you it working. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've put our light switch up. There's our new string dangling there, but our light cover. What I'm just gonna show you before I go. See the gap there? There is 3 of them evenly spaced around the shade, and you have them in here in case you have one of these shades and you've never taken them off before. So what you gotta do is line these logs to those and then just twist it, and it should just lock in place. So we're gonna do that now and be back in a second to test our light. Okay, see you in a sec. Okay, there's our shade up. So what you do, you line up the points, pressing upwards until you feel them all fall into place. Then you turn it that direction and it'll have a stop, sort of like there. So when you turn, it'll stop. See, it won't go any further. That's it. So let's do our testing now. There's a string, we pull it, and voila, lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off. When you tighten up the little brass screws in there where your wire is going, make sure that they're tight, right? Don't want no loose wires. It'll just arc and keep going until it causes a problem. So make sure they're tight. Okay, and that's your lot. So once again, from Tradespeople's Tips, if you're right there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay? Catch you later for those who aren't. See you later, people. Take care of yourself. Light on. Stop messing with people like that. See ya.